Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essential prerequisites so nothing blocks core isolation. Sign in as an administrator, update Windows, and make sure your PC is 64-bit. Next, reboot into UEFI and enable CPU virtualization, Intel VTX or AMD, then save changes. Once done, boot to Windows and open Windows Security, navigate to Device Security. If that page is absent, don't panic. Check that the Windows Security Service is running and that Defender features aren't disabled by policy or third-party AV. Now you move into the detailed execution. Open Device Security and look for core isolation and memory integrity. Toggle memory integrity on. Windows may prompt to reboot to apply virtualization-based security. If the option is grayed out, enable Hyper-V and the virtual machine platform in turn Windows features on or off, then reboot. Also, check the compatibility list. Drivers incompatible with memory integrity will block it. Update those drivers from the vendor or uninstall them. Once resolved, re-enable memory integrity and restart to complete activation. Finish by confirming core isolation is active. Open Device Security and verify memory integrity reads on after a reboot. If the page or toggle still won't appear, run sfc/scano and dism to repair system components and set the Windows Security Service to automatic. Make sure third-party antivirus isn't blocking Defender features. Temporarily disable it to test. If problems persist, review local group policy for security settings or reset the Windows Security app. Key tip: if toggles fail, updating or removing incompatible drivers usually resolves the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.